So guys, for the first method, you want to check your USB and check if it has a physical write protection switch. If it does, then you want to turn it off. If there is no switch on your USB, then for the second method, you want to head over to search and type in CMD. Now you want to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. And then once you run this, you want to type in Diskpart. Click on enter. Wait for this to load. And then once this comes up, we're going to type in list space disk and then click on enter again. And now we're going to type in select space disk space, and now you want to choose the disk that you're having an error with. You're going to know which disk is which by the size. For me, I've only got one disk, so I'm going to type in disk 0. You want to type in your correct disk number. You're going to identify which one's which by your size. Now I've only got one disk, so I'm going to type in select disk 0 and then click on enter. And then once you select your disk, we're now going to type in attributes space disk space clear space read only and then click on enter. In my case, I got this error because I don't have this problem, but in your case it should be saying this attributes cleared successfully. See if that works for you. If that's still not working, then for the last method, you're going to head over to search and type in registry editor. Click on it and then click on yes. And then once you're on this, you can follow everything that I'll be doing up here. So first you want to expand HK local machine, and now you want to expand system, and now you want to expand current control set, and now we're going to expand control. I'm going to make this a bit bigger. We're going to find storage device policies. We're going to scroll down till we find storage device policies. Now in my case, I do not have storage device policies, so I'm going to create it. However, if you do see storage device policies right here, you want to click on it. Now for me, since I do not have storage device policies, then I'm going to scroll up. You want to right click on control if you don't have it as well, and then click on new, and then click on key. We're going to call this storage device policies. Spell it with the same capitals and lowercase as I did, and then click on enter. We're now going to be in this folder. Again, you can follow everything that I did up here. Make sure that you're now in the storage device policies folder. And then once you're on this, you just want to right click on the white space and then click on new and then click on dword 32-bit value. We're going to call this write protect. Spell it with the same capitals and lowercase as I did and then click on enter. Now we're going to double click on write protect. Make sure that in this box right here you have the number 0. So under value data, make sure that you have the number 0 and then click on OK. It's probably going to be 0 by default. And now you just want to restart your computer and then the problem should be fixed.